So welcome back to our channel Learn2Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can learn to earn in your Bitget account. So guys, if you want to earn funds or cryptos through quizzes, then this video is for you. So in order to do that, we just need to find the icon that says Learn to Earn. So we can find it right at your top left corner. Just go ahead and tap here. Now you would be given these options. Scroll down and tap on more services. And guys, now we just need to find Learn to Earn. So right in rewards, you can see options like future events, rewards, referral, candy bomb, launchpad, deposit to list, and finally Learn to Earn. Tap here and now scroll down and choose the quiz that you want to take. So let's say we should take this one. Tap on Learn Now, tap on Next, and just make sure you read all of them. This will also help you learn, and right under you would find the question, and if you answer them, then you will get 10 points. So guys, this is how you learn to earn in your Bitget account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.